Hello everyone, in this video let us take a look at an interesting question asked on the community about moving or copying a story from one project board to another. So I was looking at this interesting question on the community about how do I move or copy a story from one project board to another. Now this user has also mentioned the steps that were given to him when he maybe asked, maybe he was asking his company's Jira administrator. So usually when you go to a specific issue, let me open that particular issue, or maybe any issue. It could be a story, it could be any issue type. You can go to these three dots and then click on the move option. Now when you click on the move option, you can select your target project, and then you can also select the target issue type. Now when you're moving the issue, you also need to have create issue permission in the target project. So this is of course possible when you are viewing the issue, and this really works only when you have the permission. So I'll come back to the permission, but while you're on the board, you may be wondering where is that option. So usually when you click on any of these stories or any issue in your board, you can again find those three dots, and right now you don't see the move option, but you can go to the more actions and then you can select move here, and then of course it will take you to the same process. It will basically show you the same screen where you can move the issue. Now this is all good, and this works only when you have the access, or basically you should have the move issue permission. Now for doing that, I mean, the first thing that you can do is of course you can take a look if you have the option to move, and if you don't really see this option, then maybe you don't have the permission. You can also clone this issue if you want, which is nothing but a way to create a duplicate within the same project. But for moving the issue, we were talking about the moving part. If you look at the project's permission scheme, so when you go to the project settings, uh, you need to click on the project settings for your project, and if you scroll down, you will find a section called as permissions, and you have something called as a permission scheme. Now, if you look at the permission here, if you search for move, you will find one permission. So you should be part of the uh, so basically you should have this permission, and you can have this permission if you are part of the role which is mentioned here, or maybe if it is assigned to a group or an individual user. So if you're not able to find this move option easily, then most likely you don't have the permission to move the issues. And this is all I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.